Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Well, we are up and running again after yesterday being a temple day. So let's go down this morning and see what they're up to. Not quite sure what they're doing today, so we'll go and have a look. Hopefully they'll get these top sections sorted so as we can see how they're going to work. Let's go down and have a look. I'll spin you around. Yeah, so it was a nice quiet day here yesterday. We had just chilled out. Tam shot off down to Bangkok, gone to help her niece out. So yeah, right. Let's go and have a quick look. See how we're getting on. So it looks like they're getting another coat of paint on the metal framework. Oh, coat of undercoat. So hopefully it won't be too long and they'll start doing the main coat on there. Right, so getting quite busy. We're making a load more hinges and stuff like that. So we'll see what we're going to do with them later. Testing out to see how the water runs. Come on. It certainly takes the water away anyway, so that's good. So yeah, we're going to have to, I did notice the other day that Milo gets in around the back here, so we can get in here, so we're going to have to seal all this off here. Not quite sure what we're going to do with it yet. I'm sure Tam's got an idea on that, so we'll wait and see. But we'll, oh yeah, it's on its way. So yeah, it's coming on. Be interesting to see what they're on with today. Obviously building a bit more. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll leave them to it, and we'll pop back down a bit later and see what's going on. So I'll catch you later, guys. Well, guys, they've just shot off home for the evening, so we'll take a little stroll down and go and see what's been going on today. We have got the Tyler's coming back to finish this tomorrow. Well, I'll get on with it tomorrow. I think they're going to be here a couple of days just to finish this, so that'll be good to get that sorted. Yeah, let's have a walk down there and have a look. Well, the plants have started to take hold now. They're coming on pretty well. Right, so let's go and have a look. So Tam's decided that she wants a cover on here, so she's using up some of the old metal, so I don't know what we're going to end up with. I'm just letting her get on with it. So this will be obviously a bit higher with a roof on the top of it, just in case it's raining, she can get in there and still wash her pots and stuff. I think I'm going to gravel most of this, put like a gravel or something on there, put a membrane down first and then gravel it just to tidy it all up. And they've been doing the electrics today, so most of the electrics are in on this side, I think, so pretty much sorted. And they've got the bits to make it make these go out, so it's Tam's design. She didn't want like the gas powered lift because she's worried that within a couple of years they're going to bug her up. So what they've done is they have turned around and put like a put in here. So what you do is you lift that one down. Same on the other side. Very primitive, but it works, that's for sure. And then obviously what you do is, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. You push them up. Hang on. There we go. And then they will have like a proper little pin to lock them in place. At the moment it's just got a nail, but that'll just lock them in place so they don't move. And it's the same obviously on this side as well. So, you know, there's no fear of them dropping down once they're bolted in. There's no fear of them dropping down and smacking somebody on the head. And there's plenty of clearance there. I mean, if you're over sort of 6'2", yeah, you're probably going to have to duck. But at the end of the day, I don't know many people over 6'2", and most ties certainly ain't. But they're set all the way through, so you can do that with all of them all the way along. So that's pretty much what she's going to have there. The painting apparently is just going to be this grey. I thought this was an undercoat, but it's not. So obviously everything will be fully painted over, but it's going to be a stay as this grey. These I think will have like a grey cover on them to stop the sun and everything, so there's going to be something which is going on these. It'll all come together anyway. Tam knows exactly what she wants, and like I said, I'm just sort of leaving it to her. So, you know, it's her little project, so up to her what she wants to do. They'll be doing rendering all this side, but I think yeah, I think we'll you know, sort this out by smoothing it all out, obviously covering the pipe work. And now I'm going to get a membrane in there, fill it over with some gravel, and then she can have a few pots, maybe even another table outside if people want to sit outside, you know, got the option then. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So it is coming on. They are back in full force, cracking on with it, which is good. So yeah, so that's about it for this one, guys. I will turn around and post again tomorrow. Hopefully a bit more going on again, because we'll have obviously a bit of Thailand stuff going on. So yeah, so I'll leave it there for now, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really really helped me out. Yeah, so until then, sorry, just watching Milo, he's being a pain in the ass at the moment. So yeah, until then, guys, I will catch you on the next one. So take it easy, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.